guys, welcome to VChem1. In this lecture, we will discuss on the formality. What is the meaning of the formality? First, start with its definition. Formality definition is it is the number of 4 mole mass of the solute dissolved in per liter of solution. So that way we write that the formality F is equal to the number of 4 mole of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. So this is the volume of solution in liter. Number of 4 mole of solute. What is the meaning of the 4 mole of solute? First, 4 mole of solute is denoted by the Fn divided by the volume of solution. So this is the V. Then comparison with the formality with the molarity. So molarity is equal to M is equal to number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. So that is the volume of solution in liter. In the formality and molarity, this term volume of solution in liter and volume of solution in liter is same. Only difference is formality 4 mole of solute use and molarity moles of solute use. So moles of solute is equal to N and volume of solution is equal to V. Then detailed meaning of the N and Fn. We know that in the molarity N is equal to number of mole. We know about the mole is equal to weight upon molar mass. So we write that this value put in this equation. So weight upon molar mass into volume. In the molarity, this molar mass is known as the theoretical mass. And it's also useful for the molecule. But in the formula Fn by V. So this is the weight upon this mass is the observed into V. It is the observed molecular mass and it's mainly useful for the ionic compound. Its another name is the molecular mass of the observed or another name is the formal mass. So main difference is this weight same, volume in liter same. Only difference is the molecular observed mass and molecular theoretical mass. Next we discuss on the ratio of the formality to molarity. We know about what is the difference between the formality and molarity. Then we discuss on the ratio of the formality to molarity. So formality F is equal to molarity. We know that the formality is the number of 4 mole of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. So this writes that the weight upon observed molecular mass into volume. This is the formality. And molarity is equal to weight upon theoretical molecular mass into volume. So this volume cancel out and weight cancel out. So this formula is 1 upon observed molecular mass and this is the 1 upon theoretical molecular mass. So F by M is equal to the MT by M observation. Means theoretical molecular mass divided by the observed molecular mass. And it's denoted by the I. So this I is the Van 't Hoff factor. This I is the Van 't Hoff factor. So relation between the formality and molarity is equal to formality is equal to Van 't Hoff factor multiplied with M. So this is the formality, this is the Van 't Hoff factor I and molarity. When we multiply molarity with Van 't Hoff factor, it's equal to the formality. What is the difference between the theoretical molecular mass and observed molecular mass? For consider as the example NaCl. So this NaCl always dissociate into the Na plus and Cl minus in the bottom. So this Na plus and Cl minus sum of the atomic masses gives the molecular masses. So Na plus is a 23 and Cl minus is a 35.5. That is the 58.5 gram per mole. That way NaCl theoretical molecular mass is equal to 58.5. But in the observed molecular mass, observed molecular mass is equal to, what is the meaning of the observed molecular mass? Observed molecular mass means when NaCl dissociate into water, So it's converted into species. That means the Na plus and Cl minus. This is the same as the Na plus and Cl minus. So its weight is the 58.5 gram per mole. That way, in the mostly ionic solids, molecular mass, theoretical molecular mass is equal to the observed molecular mass. In the second, observed molecular mass is also known as the formal mass. Next example we consider is the benzoic acid in benzene. First consider is the theoretical molecular mass. So theoretical molecular mass. How to find out the theoretical molecular mass? So benzoic acid molecular weight is the 122 gram per mole. But benzoic acid present in the benzene. Benzoic acid present in the benzene always gives the dimer form. Always gives dimer form. Dimer means 2 and mer means molecule. So in the observed molecular mass is equal to the dimer, gives the dimer. So di means 2 molecule. So it's multiplied with 2. That gives the 244 gram per mole. That difference between the theoretical molecular mass and observed molecular mass. Why this is the difference? Because of the theoretical molecular mass means the only molecular formula mass. That means the atomic mass of the all molecules gives the molecular mass. And formal mass is the actually exists in the solution. So this benzoic acid in benzene actually forms the dimer. So it's multiplied with the 2 into 122 gives the 244. So its I factor is the M theoretical divided by the M observed. So M theoretical is equal to 122 divided by the 244. So this is the 1 by 2. That way we find out that the I factor is equal to 1 by 2. Main difference between the theoretical molecular mass and observed molecular mass. Next we discuss on the formula concentration and molar concentration. What is the meaning of the formula concentration? That means that the concentration of the original chemical formula. And molar concentration is the concentration of species which is actually exists in the solution. For the understanding, we use as an example Na2CO3. When Na2CO3 is dissolved in water, so it's converted into Na plus and CO3 minus 2. That is the Na2, so 2 Na plus, where present is the distilled water. So this concentration of the Na2CO3, it gives the 1 formal and 1 molar. But when CO3 minus 2 is act as the H2CO3 in the presence of the acidic medium. So we use acidic medium. So CO3 minus 2 in the acidic medium, CO3 minus 2 converted into H2CO3. That means the CO3 minus 2 converted into H2CO3. So CO3 minus 2 concentration is decreased. When CO3 minus 2 concentration is decreased, that way its 1 molarity is decreased. Means molar concentration decreased. But in the 1 formal is unchanged because of the 1 formal is the depend only on the original chemical formula. Original chemical formula is Na plus and CO3 minus 2. But in the presence of the acidic medium, CO3 minus 2 converted into H2CO3. So it's affected only molar concentration, not affected formal concentration. So that is the main difference between the formal concentration and molar concentration. So example based on the formality. So first example is the 5.85 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So find out the formality. We know that the formality is equal to the number of formol of solute dissolved in the volume of solution in liter. And 4 mole is equal to the weight upon formula mass multiplied with volume. that is also known as the observed molecular mass. Weight of the solute given is the 5.85. And how to find out the formula mass? So NaCl, it's dissolve in the solution. So NaCl dissociate into Na plus and Cl minus. So Na plus has 23 and Cl minus has atomic mass 35.5. So total is its mass is the 58.5 into 1 liter. So this is the answer of the formality and it is denoted by the formal. Next example, find out the formality. Find out formality for the 1 molar of benzoic acid dissolved in benzene. 1 molar of benzoic acid, that means the 1 mole of benzoic acid dissolved in 1 liter of benzene. We know that in the benzoic acid dissolved in benzene, it's converted into dimer form. So for the consider as the formula mass, we use as the dimer form. So molecular mass, so theoretical molecular mass is the only benzoic acid. Benzoic acid molecular mass 122 gram per mole. But in the observed molecular mass or formula mass, that is the benzoic acid dissolved in benzene. So it's converted into its dimer form. So this dimer form observed is equal to 2 into 122. That is the 244 gram per mole. These two terms, theoretical molecular mass and observed molecular mass. So I is equal to mt by m observation. That is the 122 by 244. That gives the 1 by 2.5. This use we find out that the formality. Formality we know about the formality is equal to the I into molarity. I value is 0.5 and given molarity value is 1. So that formality is equal to 0.5 formal.